What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, and
Kristen.
And we are in Charleston, South Carolina. We're gonna be walking all around downtown. We'll get some good footage for you guys. We're in the historic district right now, and we're gonna go all around, take a look at things. Maybe we'll find some steals and deals, sell those things online.
I think there are a couple thrift stores. I think, wasn't there 1.1 mile away from our hotel?
There's a pawn shop right down the road.
Pawn shop, right?
We're gonna go to the pawn shop, let's go. All right, well, I just spilled the Red Bull all over myself trying to film up that window.
I'm the beverage keeper now.
Kristen's the beverage keeper. I'm covered in Red Bull, but we're still not letting that stop us. There's a bike place. We gotta find the pawn shop. Let's just walk around. If we happen upon it, we happen upon it.
All right.
So, I don't know. We're right in historic district, so. It's a pretty nice building right here.
I'm gonna drive this point home in a few minutes. First of all, we're gonna talk about bed tilt. We're gonna talk about
this, guys. This, I mean, 1950s mid-modern Gamecock glassware, 175 bucks. Keep an eye out at Goodwill for those, guys. 50 cents a piece, maybe. You got $175. I swear, I see a lot of this stuff at thrift stores, but you know, I don't know anything about this kind of stuff. So I was wondering what this thing is right here, and looks like it's a pie safe. 19th century Charleston pie safe. Rare. And I don't know what that says. Unused? Or an unused? Should I touch it? I will. Ooh, this is really cool. I want to get something, but I don't want to spend, what is that, $4,800? Yeah, $4,800. I don't want to spend $4,800 on that. I don't even have $4,800. Oh, look at this cool wine rack. $2,600. I could build that, guys. Don't worry. Oh, hi, kitty. Got some wine.
So precious.
Hanging out in a cat cafe. Hi, kitties. Pretty interesting cat cafe. Cutie. Here we are at the cat cafe with Kristen with the wine. I already finished mine, of course. And we have this little boy. I think it's Morty, right? Morty. Hey, Morty.
He's a very good boy.
He is so cute, Morty. Oh, what a good boy you are. Hey, buddy. Do you like to be on film? He doesn't care. There's so many. Hi, other one. And, oh, you could see one way up there. You can see his newt.
Oh my God.
And his tail, I think. Oh yeah, look at. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All right, guys, there's the pawn shop right there on the corner. Money Man Pawn, the yellow building. We're gonna run across the street real quick, and it looks closed. Actually, no, there's a garbage can holding the door open. So hopefully there's some good stuff in here. It's the only pawn shop. Oh, no, they have a giant sign. So yeah, they're definitely open, but it's the only pawn shop within a huge radius, actually. So hopefully there's some good stuff here. We'll take a look. We'll find out, guys. Maybe I'll get some footage inside. Hopefully I do. Alright guys, so this is everything that I picked up at that pawn shop. Just realized I never filmed the clip, so I'm filming it right now, and you guys will be able to see everything that I picked up. Definitely some good stuff for a little pawn shop over there in Charleston. Like I said, it was the only pawn shop. Now, all I got was video games, but you'll see something a little special in here, okay, guys? So, he said all of these games were going to be 10 bucks a pop for the Xbox One games, and I'll show you my total first, actually. I ended up paying $38.15. If it'll focus, there we go, $38.15 is what I ended up paying. Not too bad. So I picked up For Honor for the Xbox One. It's complete in there, which is very nice. Definitely command some money on that. Same thing with Elder Scrolls V Skyrim. Now, a lot of these newer games don't have inserts. So if you open up a game, when you find a newer game, maybe at a thrift store, I found some new games like this at thrift stores before. If they don't have an insert, don't worry. Look up an unboxing video on YouTube. That's what I do. And you can tell if it's new or not. Guitar Hero Metallica for the Wii. Now, there are some Guitar Hero games that are worth some money. This is nice because it is complete with that manual in there. Not worth a whole heck of a lot, but all the games that weren't super new like this were 2 for $5. So only $2.50 each, guys. That's cheaper than most thrift stores. Insane. So Guitar Hero Metallica. Picked up this game, Trials HD Limbo Explosion Man. It's a triple pack. It doesn't have an Amazon listing. The case is wrecked, but I could always replace the case. And the reason why I picked it up is, look at that. 2 games in here, which is pretty sweet. Pretty scratched up, as you can tell. So this is going to be a game that I cannot send in until I get home. Gonna have to clean it up and test it. This one, on the other hand, pretty good condition, actually. A few scratches, but actually the scratches are kind of bad. So probably gonna have to wait on both of these games, clean them up at the house. Now, I buy games that are scratched up all the time because I have a disc cleaner. And the disc cleaner helps out a lot. I could pretty much pick up anything and send it off to Amazon. This is Oblivion Game of the Year Edition. Now, up here it says Xbox One and Xbox 360. Now, he charged me for the 360 because if you open it up, you can see on the inside, they're for Xbox 360. This is a new style of case that they're doing for certain games to show that they'll play on both consoles, even though it's an older game. But this is the Game of the Year Edition, which is worth a bit of money. So definitely cool there. Always keep an eye out for Game of the Year editions, special editions, deluxe editions, and they're usually worth a bit more. Right here we have Metro 2033, disc only, good shape though, and it does go for a bit of money. I mean, more than $2.50. That's what made this a lot better, knowing that I was spending so cheap on these games. I'm able to spend $2.50 to make, you know, $3 or $4. Harry Potter for the Kinect. Guys, a lot of Harry Potter games are actually worth good money on the Xbox 360. I believe there's Prisoner of Azkaban and things like that. Those are worth some good money. Now, this one's pretty darn clean, so that's awesome there. And it's complete. Always try to keep an eye out for complete. Brings up the value a good amount. Skate 2, and I believe... oh, no, it's just this game in here. But still, Skate 2 goes for a little bit of money. Not a lot, but like I said, I only paid $2.50 for it. And then Just Dance 4. Now, the reason why I picked this up has 2 copies of Just Dance 4 in it. So, you know, it equals out to just about $1.25 each. It is complete with the manual in there. So, that definitely helps. So that is everything I picked up for just about $35. I mean, you really can't go wrong with spending $2.50 on a lot of video games. I also stopped by some thrift stores and stuff today. Right now, we are in Savannah. We're actually in Savannah. We're in Savannah, Georgia, and we're in our other hotel. It's not as nice as the one that we were at before, but this one's much cheaper, and we just got into the city, so we're working on an Amazon shipment right now. Gonna get that shipped off tomorrow, and hopefully that stuff will start selling soon because we're still out here for a while. So that pretty much does it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions. I'm trying to answer them all. It's a little tough because I'm all over the place right now and I'm not just sitting here answering comments, but I'm going to answer a bunch tonight and probably do a live video soon. I tried to do a live video today inside of a Goodwill and the service was just horrible, so I couldn't do it. But maybe I'll do one in a hotel room. We could do a Q&A style video. I'll let you guys know where I'm going, 'cause I'm going to so many other places in Florida and Louisiana. And, you know, maybe you guys can help me out, find some really cool places to hit up and thrift. Definitely, that would be awesome. Till next time, guys, it's Thrift School signing out. See ya.